In this video, you'll learn how to install Windsurf on a Windows operating system. This guide will take you through each step of the installation process, ensuring you complete it successfully. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. For this tutorial, we will use Google. Once your browser is open, locate the address bar at the top of the window. In the address bar, type in www.google.com and press the Enter key. This action will direct you to the Google homepage, where you can perform your search. Next, in the Google search box, type Windsurf and hit Enter. This will display a list of search results related to windsurf. Pay attention to the results as they load. After the search results appear, look for the link titled Windsurf. Click on this link to access the Windsurf website. You will be redirected to the official site, which may take a moment to load. Once you are on the Windsurf homepage, look for a button or link that says Download for Windows. Clicking this link will initiate the download process. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as larger files may take longer to download. After clicking the download link, a confirmation message may appear thanking you for downloading the Windsurf editor this indicates. Now, navigate to your Windows Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon located on your taskbar. Once Windows Explorer is open, find the Downloads folder in the left sidebar. In the Downloads folder, locate the Windsurf installation file. This file is usually named something like windsurfinstaller.exe. Click on this file to begin the installation process. Next, the installation wizard will launch. Click on the installation file to start the setup. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, as they will guide you through the process. When prompted, you will need to agree to the terms of the agreement. Look for the checkbox that says I agree to the agreement and select it. This step is essential to proceed with the installation. After agreeing, click on the Next button to move forward. The installation wizard may provide you with additional instructions or information at this stage. You will then be asked to choose a file path for the installation. It is advisable to use the default location unless you have a specific folder in mind for organizing your applications. Once you've selected the file path, click Next again to continue. The wizard will then prepare for the installation. Finally, click on the Install button to complete the installation process. This action will initiate the installation of Windsurf on your system. The installation may take a few moments depending on your computer's performance. After the installation is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. At this point, you can close the installation wizard and start using Windsurf.